really sweet. Yeah. Why I did it where my colleagues were like, oh, how would I write about
آزاده.
هزینه میگرفتیم شد.
چرا؟